welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook for you oxtail. Here's my oxtail. I already seasoned my oxtail, and these are my ingredients. Of course, salt and pepper, and I have there Mrs.Dash, garlic powder, pimento, coriander, and cumin, some Worcestershire sauce, and soya sauce. And I have garlic, scallion, and I have over here some carrot and celery and pepper. I'm gonna put some thyme, and I have here some dry thyme and rosemary. See, I have here some rosemary, the dry one, and some thyme. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna my pot is ready to go. I'm gonna brown them on both sides. Okay. Finish browning. I'm gonna add my thyme, rosemary, pepper, celery, and carrots. Cover with water. Smells so good. This is water from my butter bean. I make some butter bean. I didn't show you. Here it is. So that's the water from it. I make these, so put back some of the water. I'll put this at the end. Okay, I'm gonna cover. In 25 minutes. Here we go. See our beans. Here we go. So bye everyone. Thanks for coming into my home. God bless you. Have a great day. Take care.